a very good match. Mr. Crispin here once again, and welcome to my workshop. Now today's video is going to be revealing. There haven't been any machining videos for a few weeks now because I have been working away in the background concluding a project, and that project has been the creation of the Mr. Crispin designs, the Mr. Crispin website and the Mr. Crispin merchandise, and this short video signifies the release of all of those things. So I hereby introduce you to the official Mr. Crispin logo. And I hereby also introduce you to the official business logo of Mr. Crispin Enterprises. So the background is that about 4 years ago I decided I wanted a logo, and I started sketching things out in pencil, and a friend of mine, Will Helt, assisted me by digitising those sketches. However, it ended up on the back burner, and it wasn't until the recent lockdowns that I took it up again and I sketched out in pencil what I wanted for the Mr. Crispin logo. And I then contacted Quinn Barry, who has done quite a bit of the digital graphics work for a lot of the YouTube machinists. He took that design and coloured it, shaded it, digitised it, etc. And then we went on between the two of us to create the Mr. Crispin Enterprises design that you've seen. So that's what the designs look like, and now you've seen that, it should be no surprise to see that this has manifested itself into the Mr. Crispin jumper. This Mr. Crispin jumper you can see here is one option that's available out of many. The large logo version, the small logo version, the alternative large logo design and the alternative small logo design. That's all in the category of jumpers. The category of t-shirts brings similar things, as you can see here, many colours available, many designs. And also, for those of you like Brother Billy who may be inclined to wear the more modern hood neck style jumper, variants in hoodie form are also available, and a couple of those can be seen here, modelled kindly by Apprentice Slack and Apprentice Bowler. Now the clothing all happens to be unisex, suitable for males and females, but clothing isn't all. Hiding under my nautical knots tea towel is the range of Mr. Crispin mugs and coasters, joined also by a sticker or two. These form part of my accessories range and are joined in the category by some additional items, namely mouse mats and headbands. So far everything I've shown has been equally well suited to the male and the female. However, a little more discretion may be required in my final category, which happens to be the range of Mr. Crispin swimwear. Dad, brother and uncle alike would all suit the Mr. Crispin swimming shorts. Sporting the MCE design, these are high quality, and with a powerful elastic waistband they are guaranteed to stay up. If you would like to see me modelling these, please tune back in after midnight. Aside from that, why not surprise the lady in your life this Christmas with a Mr. Crispin swimsuit? Shown here, it is highly versatile, suitable for a range of applications, and comes in an interesting design. Also, many thanks to my colleague Jamie for persuading his wife to model it for me. So there is a brief overview of some of my wares. Now, how are these things produced? Well, they're produced by what you call print on demand. So what happens is you go on my website, you pick an item, a colour and a size, and the printing company take that as a specification and print a one-off and then send it directly to you. So there's no pile of inventory, these things are produced as they're ordered. Now, although that does entail a slightly higher cost for the item, it does give a big range of colours and sizes, certainly more than I'd be able to hold as an inventory supply here. So I'd like to finish off with a couple of thank yous. One to Quinn Barry. His assistance and expertise in digital graphics has been excellent, and without his support I would not have got this over the line. Second of all, I would like to thank the viewership, or at least those of you who subscribe to this channel, because as you may have noticed, my channel has just tipped over 30,000 subscribers. Now, I could have pretended this is my 30,000 subscriber marker, but actually it's just pure coincidence that this has come along at the same time, but 30,000 is significant. It gives me great encouragement for the next round of video production, and I guess I better get back on with this locomotive now Blondie Hacks has started hers. So I will see you at least once more before Christmas. I'll invite you now to follow the link in my description and have a look at my website, and I'll say thank you for watching. I hope you found this interesting, and see you on the next video.